Okay, so we're now getting to the stage of flattening the links, and it's not that hard, but it's very easy to break your fingers. So far, and of course now I'm saying this, I'll probably smack my hand. I've only hit my hand once over God knows how many thousands of strikes I've done. So for me, the link has been heated. It's been left to cool, so don't play with the hot links. And I've put this on my anvil. Now this is a relatively light anvil. If you've got a heavier anvil, that's perfectly fine. And I put 3 links on this anvil. If it was a heavier anvil, there'd be less jump, and I'd arguably put more on, and it'll be a little bit more productive. So I've got 3 links here. I've got what we call a flat face die. So you can see it slides perfectly flat, and you've got this housing in it. So that means when I strike it, even if I'm slightly off, it'll go straight down. So in here, I make sure that it goes over the link. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of jump and you'll squish the edges. Now, if I don't use this and when I strike down, I found, because I did try this, I found that the overlapping links slide, and I got a lot of wastage. And this is one of the main places where you actually get busted links, because once you hit it, and if the top coil slides off, there's nothing you can do about it. So that's all you can really do. Don't lubricate them, because when I did those once, I found that it just helped it slide off. This actually gives it a little bit more grip, and so it squashes down flat. So I use a very old 26-ounce hammer, and it took me a while to figure out how flat I actually needed them. So again, hold it down. Sorry about the noise, not really. Oh, there goes one. Okay, so with the link, let's see, the focus will come in or not. But anyway, as you can see, it's quite flattened now. There's a noticeable width there. If you don't have that width going through, when you start poking the hole through that overlap, you'll tear out the sides. And if that happens, you just swear, throw it away, and you've just wasted your time. So with this one, make sure it's done properly. If you see that it's a little bit off, just throw it away, because it's just going to cause you aggravation later on, where you put a hole in it, and then it's just a weak point, it tears out, and then you've got later a hole in your maille that you have to then fix. Definitely wear hearing protection. I didn't wear it for this because, you know, I don't want to be seen yelling at the microphone. Okay, so anyway, you do that time and time again. So that's 3 strikes. I've done, you know, over 12,500 successful links. So I would say it probably close to 15,000 links. When I first started, I was only using probably only 1 strike, because the first information I had was, you know, you only have to give a gentle tap, and I gave a gentle tap and it just wasn't wide enough. So this is what I do. Other people do other things, but we can, and that's perfectly fine. This just works for me with the tools that I have. Okay, thank you very much. The next lesson will be about putting the holes in and doing the actual link. Okay, talk to you soon.